Welcome to this channel. Today I'll be telling you 5 reasons why I bought the Umidigi F2 phone. Now before that, please support this channel by subscribing, and also don't forget to click the notification button to get all the updates that I'll be bringing your way. Now reason number 1 is the Helio P70 processor. This processor is amazing. It's blazing fast, and coupled with a 6GB RAM, that would be amazing. It will be a beast of a performance. Now second is the battery life, 2150 mAh. That is amazing. Enough juice to power this device through almost 2 days. And the highlight of the phone, which is my reason number 3, the camera, 48 megapixel. I'm expecting some amazing and stunning photographs from this device. Now 4 is the stock Android. This is very important to me because whenever I've bought any Android device, I try to flash the stock Android ROM to get rid of all the bloatware. So it's amazing that Umidigi decided to get rid of all the bloatware and give us the stock Android 10. And of course, it's also the latest. Who doesn't want the latest OS in town? But then I think it will be a powerful phone. Now finally, who doesn't want to cut down on cost? Of course everybody does. But if it is cheap and it's still giving you value, that is a win. And that is why I go for this phone, because for 180 bucks, that's how much I bought it. And right now you can pretty much get it for about 200 bucks for all these features. Leave a comment down below if you also bought it and why you did. Well, you can also consider pre-ordering it. Besides, it is still good, a bargain. Now don't forget to subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell for more videos that are yet to come. Thank you for watching.